Hello to Mr. Gehry, and happens to have one of his designs here. Hello and welcome to Washington, D.C.
Thank you.
You're here for a presentation on the Eisenhower Memorial design?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and so we've got quite a few people. I'm sure some of your bigger fans are here right now. How often do you get a chance to come to Washington?
Well, I've been here 3 or 4 times in the last few months on this topic. A long time ago, I was doing the Corcoran, which never got built.
We heard about that.
Spent a lot of time on that. And before that, I was doing work for the Rouse Company when I first started out.
Mr. Rouse of Columbia, Maryland fame.
I spent a lot of time here.
Okay, it looks like you're being called to make a presentation.
Feet away from the education building, so it's the width of a normal street right away, and had a building built there, it would block anyway. But with having said that, we're very concerned about that issue, and so the tapestry is designed to be translucent, and a lot of it you'll be able to see through from those windows, so it won't be blocking in every tree. I think it'll.
This tapestry is the full length of the site, and it would be made out of stainless steel, woven like the old-fashioned tapestries. So it's not a it's a photographic image made woven.
So it's semi-translucent.
And it's semi-translucent.
Is it black and white or?
Black and white.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this tree will be brought from.
There'll be a group of trees, not just one. This shows one, but a little grove, but a big trees like that. And then the stone blocks would have relief carvings of Eisenhower with his people, and then these would have his sayings. So it kind of creates an enclave.
Is there kind of?
See it. Here are the carvings.
I wanted to ask you about the overall design in reference to these what look like columns. Does it harken to sort of neoclassic architecture or the Colosseum? Yes. So that was a big part of the influence.
Well, I had to. It didn't start out that way, and I'm not that kind of architect that does that. But we had to hold the tapestries up, and they had to be something. And I started out with cable structures and steel, but it didn't seem dignified and appropriate for this topic. And I started making bigger and bigger so that they had more presence, and I ended up with these columns. So it wasn't.
It's very different from the LA Philharmonic style that you've cultivated with the metal panels.
I'll repeat myself. I try to respond to the time and place and people.
Well, I think it's going to be very much appreciated. And I'm looking forward to groundbreaking.
Thank you.
See you soon. All right. That's what I call a promotion.